A ball is thrown horizontally from a roof of the building of height h, as shown in the diagram below. The initial speed of the ball is 16 meters per second. It hits the ground at an angle of 60 degrees with the horizontal. Assuming that air resistance is negligible, determine the vertical component of the velocity when it hits the ground. Okay, when it hits the ground, we have Vy. No, this is Vx. Okay, this is horizontal component. This horizontal component does not change, so it is equal to 16 meter per second. Okay, it does not change. It's always constant throughout the projectile motion here. So we want to find what is Vy, the vertical component. This is vertical, this is horizontal. So the vertical component of the velocity of the ball when it hits the ground. Right, when we want to solve this problem, we always start with x dimension and y dimension, and then we try and see what formula can solve the problem. Okay, now I assume like I don't know how to do this at first, so I want to get some idea. So I will write as x dimension is like x is equal to x equal to uxt. Okay, so I don't have x, I have ux, but I don't have time. So this one I have two variables that I don't know. So I will continue for y dimension. Vy uy plus at. Now for this one, I want to find Vy. I don't have I have Vy. I have uy where my uy is 0. Okay, for this motion here, for this type of projectile, our initial velocity for y dimension is 0. I have my acceleration. Okay, acceleration will be always negative 9.81 meter per second squared. But I don't have time. So this one also I have two variables that I don't know. So I will continue with another formula as uyt plus half at square. This one is h. I also don't know what is h. This can be 0, but then I don't have time also. So this is also I cannot use this formula. Then how about Vy squared plus equal to uy squared plus 2as. I don't have my s here. Okay, and I don't have my Vy. Okay, so all this formula we cannot use as usual, right? So there's we need to think how to use other thing. So I have we focus on this lah. Now we focus on this because all this formula is not valid here. But this one we can know that for Vy is apa dia? Ini adalah V kan? We can resolve the component to y. So Vy is equal to V, and this is sine or cos. Sine 60 degree. Okay, Vy is sine 60 degree. Alright, Vy is sine 60 degree. Then I still don't have my Vy. Okay, never mind. We do another one. Vx is V cos 60 degree. Yes, I have my Vx, and I can find my V here. Okay, I can find my Vx. Okay, Vx is 16. See here. So my V will be, okay, and make sure the angle is in degree. When you use your calculator, make sure the angle is in degree. So we can solve to find V. 16 divided by cos 60 is 32. 32 meter per second. So I have my V here, and I can find my Vy, right? I continue to do here. So my Vy is equal to 32 sine 60. Right? Okay, so use your calculator. Answer sine 60. I have 27.7. So that's my final answer. 27.7 meter per second.